Hi, and welcome to today's tutorial all about the Assets tab. This tab is where, in the upper section, you can register how much money you actually have left in the company at the moment of beginning to work with the Financial Planning Directive tab. For this example, an account in the Alpha Bank has been added to the list. When you are actually using the program yourself, you will need to add as many assets as there are bank accounts for your company. As always, to add a new item to the list, click the green button, New Asset. The form that opens is very similar to what we have already seen before, so we will not be examining it in more detail. In the lower section of the page, called the check amount, the program calculates and displays data from other tabs in financial planning in the form of a table. There's a summary about income during the period, from transactions in the Income tab, and from clients paying their invoices. The money that's left in funds is shown in the next line. What you see here is the actual available amount, which is not currently involved in paying for any purchase orders or bills. The money that has been approved for being used in purchase orders and bills, but has not been paid out yet, can be seen in the next line. The two summaries, at the top and the bottom, must match. Currently, the funds on this example asset are empty, so the difference is the entire check amount. The background, as you can see, is red. If we were to add a sum, but it was smaller than the check amount, the background would still be red, as it would still not be enough. Let's enter an amount which matches the number exactly. You can do that by clicking here and entering the number. The difference is now 0, and the background has become green. This is the result that we need. The Assets tab allows you to effectively use the technology of financial planning. When the available money in funds matches the check amount, then everything is correct. All income, funds, as well as bills and purchase orders have been taken into account. This data is entered before beginning to work with the directive during a new financial planning period. The check amount is only relevant at the beginning of the period. After that, when purchase orders and bills are being sent in and awaiting approval, invoice payments start coming in, etc., the check amount is simply no longer relevant. When the next period starts, the next checksum is relevant once again. That concludes today's tutorial. As always, we will be happy to answer your questions in the comments below.